welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie. Ooh, sorry, and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make my spinach, onion, and mushroom frittata. It's super easy. I actually make this quite often on like a Sunday night, and then I portion it out and have it for breakfast during the week. So if you want to see how to make it and how easy it is, keep on watching.
Occasionally I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built a wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This